Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Begin by defining your time horizon and risk tolerance. Decide a target allocation, for example, 80% stocks and 20% bonds, based on how long you will invest and how you react to loss. Select funds to match that allocation. Use Fidelity 500 Index Fund, FSAIX, for large cap U.S. stocks and Fidelity Total Market, FSCAX, for broader coverage. FSAIX lists a 0.15% expense ratio. Open a Fidelity brokerage account or IRA online, verify identity, and fund the account to begin. Implement a contribution plan with dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount each month, for example 0 monthly, to reduce timing risk and build discipline. Prioritize tax-advantaged vehicles. Contribute to your 401(k), at least to the employer match, then fund a Roth IRA or traditional IRA depending on eligibility and tax strategy. Set up automated transfers inside Fidelity. Confirm fund minimums are /bin/sh or low, and adjust contributions annually to hit savings goals or after raises. Monitor your portfolio and rebalance on a regular schedule, typically once per year. For example, if your allocation drifts to 85% stocks and 15% bonds, sell or buy to restore an 80%/20% split. Keep costs low. Favor index funds with minimal expense ratios, such as 0.15%, and avoid high turnover to maximize compounding. Finally, review tax documents each year, including Form 1099. Track taxable gains and wash sale rules, and adjust withdrawals or conversions to manage taxes efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.